Hi guys, want to create a landing page for your fitness business or coaching program? In this video, I'll show you how to build a professional fitness landing page in Systeme.io. Step 1. Log into your Systeme.io account and click Funnels. Click Create, give your funnel a name like Fitness Lead Funnel, choose Build an Audience, and click Create. Step 2. Open the opt-in page and click Edit Page. Choose a clean, modern template with a large hero section that works well for fitness offers. Step 3. Replace the default content with your own. Add a strong headline such as, "Lose weight at home with my free 7-day workout plan." Upload a high-quality fitness image, write a short description of your offer, and add an opt-in form asking for the visitor's name and email address. Step 4. Customize your page by adding benefits of your fitness program, before and after photos or transformation images, only if you have permission to use them, client testimonials, and a call to action button such as download my free workout plan or get instant access. Choose colors and fonts that match your fitness brand. Step 5. Click Save Changes and preview the page on both desktop and mobile devices. Once everything looks good, publish your landing page and start sharing it with your audience. And that's it. You've successfully created a fitness landing page in Systeme.io. If you'd like to build landing pages, sales funnels, and online businesses with one platform, check out my Systeme.io affiliate link in the description below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Funnel Growth Lab, and turn on notifications for more step-by-step tutorials.